Hello students, today we will be learning about some of the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. At the very onset, let us discuss reaction of metals with oxygen. Generally, metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides, which are basic in nature. Sodium and potassium are kept immersed in kerosene as they react vigorously with air and catches fire. You can see the reaction of potassium with oxygen. Potassium reacts with oxygen to form 2 mole of potassium oxide. Magnesium, aluminium, zinc, lead react slowly with air and form a protective layer that prevents corrosion. Of course, corrosion and the prevention of corrosion has been deleted for the current session. Now, silver, platinum, and gold do not burn or react with air. Basic oxides of metals. Some metallic oxides get dissolved in water and form alkalis. Their aqueous solution turns red litmus blue. Sodium oxide react with water to form sodium hydroxide, and potassium oxide react with water to form potassium hydroxide. You can see the reaction. Now, the important things to note at this point is known as some of the substances form amphoteric oxides of metals. Amphoteric oxides of metals oxides which react with both acid as well as bases to form salt and water. That means amphoteric oxides are those oxides which has the capacity or which has the ability to react both with acid as well as base. You can see example of aluminum oxide, zinc oxide, lead oxide, and tin oxide. All these are the examples of amphoteric oxides. They can react with acid as well as bases. You must note down the reaction. These reactions are very important. Dear friends, next one is the reactivity series. Today I will send a video in addition to these about the reactivity series, how to learn the reactivity series of metals. After going through that video, it will be easy for you to memorize the series of reactivity of metals. You must not forget that learning reactivity series is very important to know the displacement reaction of metals. In the series, potassium is highly reactive and is placed on the top of the reactivity, and platinum is the least reactive, which is placed at the very last. You must note down these reactivity series in your notebook. Dear students, metals react with water or steam to form metal oxide releasing hydrogen. They can also form metal hydroxides. You can see the reaction. Sodium react with water, that is cold water, to form sodium hydroxide along with hydrogen molecule, and heat is released. Calcium also react with water to form calcium hydroxide, and hydrogen is released. Magnesium also react with water to form magnesium hydroxide, and again hydrogen gas is released. Aluminium react with water to form aluminium oxide, again hydrogen gas is released. Now let us see some of the reaction of metals with acids. Metal react with dilute acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. Say for example, sodium react with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride and hydrogen gas is released. Potassium react with sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate and hydrogen gas is released. Only magnesium and manganese react with very dilute nitric acid to liberate hydrogen gas. You can see the reaction. Magnesium react with dilute nitric acid to form magnesium nitrate and hydrogen gas is released. That's all for this slide, dear students. Next we'll be learning about the displacement reaction based on the reactivity series. Thank you.